my God! Bakit na tayo lahat na? Ha? Sige na, go! Sige, sama ka tayo. Ano na tayo lahat? Ano na? Yay! Buka lang. Relax. Ano lang?
The most
Kasi niya. May mapasok ka.
I'm so far to be right where you are. How old is your soul? I won't give on.
Hindi.
Even if the skies
Okay na ba? Wala lang mo, parang wala lang. Parang hindi siya mahiya. Wala lang, parang wala lang.
See where the stars, they burn, so even fall to the earth. We got a lot to learn. God knows we're worth it. No, I won't give up. I don't wanna be someone who walks away so easily. I'm here to stay and make the difference that I can't make. Our differences, they do a lot to teach us how to use the tools and gifts we got. Yeah, we got a lot at stake. And in the end, you're still a friend. At least it didn't tend for us to learn. We didn't break, we didn't burn. We had to learn how to live without the world caving in. I had to learn what I got and what I'm not, who I am. I won't give up on us.
Nakalimutan ko siya rin yung anniversary. Siya rin yung anniversary. Kami na lang dito! Wala na! Kasi na yung headset. May headset daw. Asin. Asin may headset.
God knows we're worth it.
Hindi na kaya ko. Hindi na kaya ko to! Gusto ko na mag-first year anniversary. Wait lang ha. Oh, kaya na daw! Kaya na pa kami gutom! Hindi ko kinaya to eh. Yung hiya na ako. Ayaw mo yan? Ang daming tao eh. Ayun na. Konti lang, dito ka ba? Kanina pa kaya na to. Wait lang.
Ang tagal-tagal mo. Kanina ka pa ninantay eh. Nag-absent na nga siya sa work.
Nag-absent ka sa work?
Oo, absent ako.
Ah, kanina pa nagantay? Ako ilang taon na eh. Teka lang yung headset. Oh, kanina.